Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError can only concatenate str, not list, to str. This error message is raised when you try to concatenate a string with a list using the plus operator. In Python, you can only concatenate a string with another string, not with a list. For example, if you have a string, hello, and a list, world, and you try to concatenate them like this, when you run this code, you will get this kind of error. You will get the type error, can only concatenate str, not list, to strerror.to. Fix this error, you need to convert the list to a string before concatenating it with the string. You can do this using the join method of the string. For example, let's run this code. Here is the output. This will concatenate the string, hello, with the string, world, resulting in the string, hello world.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.